Hello everyone, welcome to another G-Shock tutorial video. As always, I'm going to cover a module for this DW-001J G-Shock watch, and it operates on 1211 module, and if I'm not mistaken there's another version of this that operates on the 1411 modules, but this one, yeah, the 1211 version. And as you can see here at home time, I'm gonna have day, date, and also time, 12-hour, 24-hour system. And before I get ahead of myself, let's access the task screen for this page, of course. Wait, it's really hard sometimes. 1, 2. Alright, here it is. Alright, this is the task screen, and let me zoom in a little bit in here. Go all the way there. Look at that. Casio thermometer. So this is a single sensor thermometer equipped G-Shock, and light button should go this way. Split reset button should go with this button as well. Start stop buttons with this lower right button, and mode of select lower left. Adjust, or look at here, T tuning, which means for thermometer tuning setting. So up here in the middle here will be thermo data, which is all this data all about. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Basically 5 consecutive type of data, whether it is hour, every 1 hour, or every 24 hours based on your setting. And this here will be plus all the way to -10. So this is the temperature difference range, either just between this, so it's gonna be about 20 plus minus 20 degrees difference. And in this ring up here will be some seconds indicator. However, in this watch it's gonna shows you how much daylight or night time that you have based on your exact location. So this will shows this part, sunrise or sunset time, in a more graphical way, so it's more easier and more practical. So AM or PM time, GMT, basically like DST, a lot of pixel. This part will shows the time. Down here will be also to shows AM or PM time based on which mode you are at. This part also will show AP, so no, this part will shows time as well. So yeah, sunrise will goes over here, sunset will goes over here, and LAT stand for latitude. Down here LON stand for longitude setting, just to set up the sunrise and sunset mode 24 or 12-hour system. And hours, minutes, seconds, and you can see the circle here, so it's going to be the degree for the longitude, either latitude, or for degree for the temperature reading. Signal, hourly time, or data mode indicator, which mode you are at actually. Press lower right button and we are done. It's already mentioned, you guys. Day, date, and time at home time, and we have this change in temperature. So far it's all flat, and up here this is sort of like a 24-hour system thing. There's 12, 15 all the way to what is this, 9, 18. So we are at 17, just below the 18 indicator over there, so all the way around. And I have like this amount of day, I have like this amount of daytime, and I have this amount dark over here, nighttime. So straight away you can know every single day if the daytime will be longer than nighttime just gonna have. So you can plan your future, what to do and such. So press the lower right button here to switch to temperature reading instead of displaying date. So here it is temperature right now, very hot in my room, in my studio actually, 24.0 degrees Celsius. You can switch this to Fahrenheit based on your location or whatever your preference. Press upper right button here to access the micro light amber orange. It's not that bright actually, but still can see quite a few. Well, this is an old model, so yeah. Press adjust up here at home time while the temperature is on, so you can set up the temperature reading, you know, just to match with other calibration, basically to calibrate your temperature. Press finish just for temperature tuning. Press lower right button to display the date again, and if you press adjust again, it will start setting up the watch. You can reset the seconds to 0, the hours or minutes to add 1 hour or -1 hours. So this is the minutes, this is the calendar setting, year, month, and day of the week, and also the name of the day. So today is Wednesday. So far everything is accurate, and I'm done on here. Press adjust again, we'll enter the next mode. This is for the city home setting. 9 plus 9 to GMT will be Japan, so depending on your location. So I'm gonna leave at 9 Japan. Press mode again, we'll enter this longitude and latitude settings. So based on your location again, this is gonna leave it here. This is default setting for this watch, so just gonna leave it there. It's basically time for around Tokyo, I guess. You can set it up based on your location, just cool it up. So 140 degree east and 36 degree north. So from here, the watch will calculate your exact location and determine the sunrise and sunset time based on your location. That's all it. So let's go to the sunrise sunset mode. Okay, done the things at home time. Let's access the mode. The first mode we're gonna have is sunrise sunset mode. So from here, you could tell for today, sunrise will go at 5 and sunset will be at 6:20 p.m. If you can press lower right or upper right button to switch the day, and the watch will begin calculating with these animations up here. So you need to wait a little bit for tomorrow. Let's see, tomorrow the sunrise and sunset time will be gonna take quite some time for this to calculate, so yeah, tomorrow same time again, and up here we'll see the graphical indicator, more practical way to look at it. So tomorrow I'm gonna have more daytime than nighttime, so yeah, good. Okay, you can just go back all the way to 19 actually, and just ignore. This is sort of like the minor things about all the watches that they have slow processing speed compared to recent release G-Shock, like bam, straight away calculate everything. Okay, next mode we are going to go back to home time. Press mode again, sorry, sunset, and press mode will enter the data. So this is the thermometer data. It will store up all the way to 30 information. So this is the first one. It will replace the older one as time progresses. You can press adjust up here actually to set up how many hours do you want this watch to record the thermometer information. Every 24 hours, every 10 minutes, every 1 hour, 3 hours, 24 hours. So let's leave at 10 minutes. Okay, finish setting up this part, and from now on it will register thermometer reading every 10 minutes into this graph. So far so flat. You know what, let's enter for second data, so 33.6.3. so this is the time at which the data was recorded up there. So 12 at 10 a.m. before 31. So you can see the temperature is pretty cool, just a little bit cool compared to I am right now whenever I turn on this studio light. So this is at the morning, 1 a.m. in the morning, so 30.8 degree based on this watch. And that's all about it. This for yesterday. That's pretty much done on this part. Press mode, we'll enter the home time again, of course. Press mode 1, 2, 3 times. We'll enter the alarm mode. Very much simple. Press adjust up here to set up the hours and minutes only. That's all you could do from here. And press the lower right button to turn on the alarm, the signal, or both of them. So let's turn both of them on. So done. And that's pretty much it. Press home, we'll go back to home time, mode, sorry, and keep pressing mode, go alarm, and this is the final one, which is the stopwatch. Press start. You can split time, of course, as usual. Split off, stop, and reset. And that is all it. And we are back to home time, stopwatch, and done. That's pretty much it, guys. Very simple module, very simple watch. These all the features up close again. If you haven't checked the review video for this watch, I already made a separate one again. Here are some bit of the code on the watch band, just in case you're curious, because you're not gonna see this watch anywhere else on the internet. It's pretty hard to see though, but yeah. Okay, that's pretty much it, guys. Leave a like if you found this video useful, and also subscribe for more G-Shock related contents like this in the future. Thank you very much for watching again. This is G-Shock High Fashion channel, and